we will start factors and multiple, I want to tell you one thing, that while doing the division, you are using this symbol, and inside this symbol you are writing the dividend, and dividend is divided by the divisor, and the quotient is your answer, and then remainder is there. Okay, so what here we will talk about these three things. Okay, so this divisor, this divisor is your factor, this divisor is your factor. Okay, let's take an example. With the example you will understand. 42 number I have taken. 42 is divisible by 7, divisible by 7. Let's see. 42, 7 6 is 42. So it is exactly divisible. It means the divisor is your factor. Divisor is your factor. Means we can say that 7 is a factor of 42. And in the same way, that multiple I have written here. So 42, the dividend part, the dividend part, 42 is a multiple of 7. 42 is a multiple of 7, and 7 is a factor of 42. So factor means the number which divide the given number exactly. Okay, so this is factor. Let's take an example how to find out the common factor. So let's start with the common factor. Common factor. Common factors. So we will take the example. We need two numbers for this. First example, 15 and 20. You have to find out the common factor between these two numbers. So we will write here 15 and we will write the factors. So it's always in one table. 1 is always the factor of every number and the number itself. 1. After that you have to, it comes in 3 table, then it comes in 5 table and the number itself. So we have written the factors of 15. Now we will write the factors of 20. So factors of 1, the number itself. Okay. Then after that 2, in 2 table it is coming, in 4 table it is coming, in 5 table it is there, 10 table and the number itself. Okay. Now we will see that which number is common here. Okay, so you can see this number 1 is common and 5 is common. So we can write thus the common factors of 15 and 20 are 1 and 5. So this is our answer. Let's take one more example. We can take one more example here, that we are taking 15 and 28. Two numbers. Now you know the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. You can check again and again. Okay, maybe you will miss any factor. So when you will check that, you will know that this factor I missed. Now 28 factors start from 1, always 1, then 2 table, then 4 table, then 7 table, then 14 table and 28, the number itself. Now we will see that which numbers are common in these two. So 1 is always common. Okay, and second number, no second number is common here. If we will see this, no second number is common. So therefore we will write here the common factors of 15 and 28 is 1. Now very important point I will discuss here, that if the common factor is 1 and no other factor is common, then we call these pair, means 15 and 28, are co-prime numbers. Co-prime means their HCF will come 1, always 1. So this is very important point, children, that if the common factors comes to you 1 only, then we call those two numbers as a co-prime numbers.